Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how to create this look, stay tuned. Welcome back, Nobe family. This is khadijah.nobles, and I wanted to share with you how to create this style using Bobbi Boss NuLocs. First, please hit the subscribe button below so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now, I left out 2 braids so I can show you how I complete an individual crochet braid. I place the needle at the base of the braid and then I loop the crochet braid in. Okay, and guys, I'm so sorry about the angle, but it'll come into view in a few minutes. Okay, after I pull the crochet braid and her hair through the loop, I then go through the middle of the crochet braid with my needle. After I make it to the top, I pull her hair through the center of the crochet braid. I will show you again with the last braid. Okay, with this one, I had a hard time getting through this braid for some reason. I'm not sure why, but it was a little tougher than the other braid that was the 1B30. But it's the same process. Once I make it to the top, I pull her hair through the center of the braid. Also, if I don't get all of her hair in the first time, I'll go back through the center and I make sure I pull all of her hair through so she won't have any hair like fly away or anything like that through that braid. Once again, I'm so sorry about the angle. Sorry, guys. Okay, all of her individual crochet braids are done. This is the braid pattern for the crochet braids that I'm just going to loop through. Now I'm going to complete the style. I really did like this hair. It was very easy to work with. Sometimes I did have to kind of fight through to get that little loop, to get my finger through that loop, but it wasn't hard. Okay. One, maybe about two more. I believe we used 5 bags in all. And she purchased this hair at our local beauty supply store. Okay, her look is complete. Then the visuals in front give it a very natural look. I'm loving this hairstyle. Complete look. And I want to give a special thank you to my girl Faye for being so loyal to me over the years. And once again, this is Bobbi Boss NuLocs in a 1. And we also used a 1B30. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.